Hi, this is Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Come here with another cool product. This is from rabbitcharger.com. And it's a pretty interesting product. It basically is a charger that's got a kind of pull and release, much like you would see on a tape measure. It's also got a nice little glow light, so if you want a night light, you can do it as well. And it's got different ways where you can charge all the different devices out of it. So pretty cool that way. It basically can either screw into a plug receptacle, or you can take and just plug it into a plug receptacle. It is quite large, so it takes up pretty much quite a bit of space when it comes down to it, but it does a fairly good job again. Basically, it's always there. You never have to worry about lost or missing chargers. It's always plugged in the wall for you, ready to go. It's got a 28-inch retractable cable, and so you pull it all the way out, you push the little button on the front that lights up, and it will suck it all back down in, just like a tape measure, if you will. I like it. It's sometimes not quite long enough for what you really want it for, but it does okay. It's got swappable charging tips. You can switch between Android or Apple. You can have all these tips that can go in and off, so you can do all your devices. You can charge two devices at the same time, so that's always good to take and have. It's got an LED ambient light in the front with its touchscreen Rabbit Charger's ambient LED lights. It adds a touch of sophistication and gives you a nice, sort of hallway light, if you will. And it's easy to install. There's you can just plug it in, away you go, and everything else. Well, I found it's a pretty good charger. It tends to take up a lot of space, but sometimes it blocks out two of the plugs that you can take and utilize on a plug-in. But hey, it works pretty cool, and you've got the thing where you can sit and pull it out and in and all that sort of good stuff. And I thought it did a good job for what we had there. You can check it out. You can go to the website at rabbitcharger.com and tell them Chris Voss sent you. It's fairly inexpensive to take and buy, and you can get all sorts of different lightning swappable charging tips on it as well. So go check out the Rabbit Charger, rabbitcharger.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved, and we'll see you next time.